Hey, Ryan.
Yes, sir.
Hey, buddy. What you doing?
Years and years of flying, it's really important to maintain and clean your airframes. You know, you want
Absolutely.
everything. You're looking
Absolutely. You got to make it.
gorgeous. Oils all get all over
Maintenance is so
it.
important, isn't it?
Maintenance is the most important thing. Most important thing of an airframe.
It is. Now tell us, how well did this thing fly today?
Really good.
Yeah?
I had an amazing flight.
Did you?
It was my third flight on this new airframe.
Wait a second. Ryan,
Yes, sir.
what happened?
What do you mean? What happened? Looks good.
Um, I think you're missing part of your airplane.
Well,
What are you wiping down?
maintenance. Got to clean the airplane. Clean airplane.
But half your plane's missing.
Or is it half full?
Yeah, Ryan, you had a little mishap today,
Yeah, I
didn't you?
crashed today. 100% my fault.
Yeah.
It was a beautiful flight.
was.
I feel like I should be mad or sad, but it was such a good flight.
It was a great
it's all
flight.
part of it. I lost my orientation, and
Hey, look, no matter how good you are at this hobby, it's going to happen, right?
Yes,
We
sir.
got to tell people out there, don't get discouraged. This happens to the best of us. And Ryan did have a little bit of a hiccup, you know.
100% my fault.
Yeah, but it was the sun, you know.
AJ
You got blinded
all
by the sun.
way, and I will have.
And we're going to show you right here in this clip. You're going to see Ryan have an accident.
100% my fault, but AJ, I love you guys.
Yeah, AJ, nothing wrong with the airplane. The AJ, this
Hey.
thing flew perfect out
They
of the
do.
box,
The wheel
didn't it?
pants are still on too.
And the wheel pants are still on.
Yeah, love it.
Awesome. What are you supposed to be for Halloween?
Squirrel.
Are you sure? Looks like a beaver. Ah, there it is.
Having fun, guys.
Yeah. Awesome, Ryan. Well,
Still wiping down this air.
on to the next one, yeah?
On to the next one.
All
Very
right, buddy.
soon.
All right, see ya.
Thank you, guys.